Welcome to Sunwheel Industry. Hello everyone, I'm Vivi. Let me introduce you our user-friendly product just launched this year. Imagine about 1 or 2 decades ago, if you want to attach your rail carrier, what should you do? You should find a rope in the early morning and you should attach the rail carrier box and then untie it every day. That would be quite exhausting, but don't worry. We have launched the CR113 Quick-Release Adaptor this year. CR113 is the universal compatible to many carriers. To make sure the security of your personal belonging, additional place to attach the AirTag space is integrated into the plate. And the bracket is 360 degrees rotatable. You can just attach on the bar in the corner, whatever you want. And now, let me introduce you how to use it. First, insert the keys and just make sure that you are on the right position and then just pull it out. Now everything is finished. You can just go back to your work or back to your home if you don't want to find a rope in the future. Just come to find us. We can give you the various options for the quick release adapters.